fake tests that they are sending me from different companies, and I try to confront them again, asking them how. Where is the shortcut? That my results of this test are not correct. It seems like it has been made up already, and I've called them the same day. This is really not my personality. Now I send them an email directly, sending it to skickat mail to this person, to this woman, telling them that and this guy, within 8 minutes, he replies to me, this is the person, it's on Sunday, today is Sunday, and then he sends it to this woman. Right after that comes another, become a member of a student, another thing that I have never been interested. I just replied to them. It was 21 minutes into this, how things are happening so fast, and I just replied to them, not falling for this type of traps anymore. And then I told them I'm not interested. And this is what they do, to trap you, to show that you are some sort of what you call this kind of person that I am not. It's extremely, it's on Sunday and they're just looking forward. Yeah. And then it's terrible people. It's just amazing how things just happen so fast. 60 minutes into the conversation, I get another from all studier. I'm not part of. Within half an hour, they send me another one. It's no reply. I know this already. It doesn't work. No reply. I'm an IT student. I know this kind of stuff. So that's for today.